Hey, I'm Niobium. How you doing? I'm this guy, by the way. The other one's really angry, so he isn't speaking. I'm going to take over all of Atom, and I'm gonna fucking kill everyone, because I'm so evil. Hey, you little bastards! Wait a minute, what are you doing? No! 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 Oh my god, we did it! Yes! Let's all celebrate by eating some cake. Oh yeah, dance, I feel a song coming on.
Nothing I can see but you for you.